Good afternoon. My name's Randy McAtee. Today is January 29th, 2026. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon here. And today I'm going to do a little video of unboxing or unpacking. Not like something that I'm a big fan of, but I am a big fan of artists. And I did order a print from an artist named Anthony Christopher off of Reddit. And I just received it the other day. And he signed it. So personal signature. And so, and look, do not bend. It came nice, no bends. And honestly, I can't even remember the drawing that I selected. I more just remember his style, and I liked it, so I ordered one of his prints. And but you have to realize too, one of the great things about being my age, and I am in my eighth decade on the planet here. Uh, like it's kind of like a lot of days are like Christmas, because my wife and I order a lot of stuff off of Amazon, and that stuff gets dropped off on the door, and we go out and we get it and bring it in, and we're like, what did we order? Who ordered what? What is it? And it's kind of like, Christmas every day. You're just opening a package and being surprised because you forgot what you ordered a day or two before. Anyway, I did know what was in this when it came due to the signature and all, of course, and but I don't remember the image or the illustration. So let's open it here. Oh boy, you know what? ASMR folks, go out and buy 100 of these, and well, I guess you don't have to. You could just do one and do it on a loop. Some people might like that. Oh, look at a big thank you and another. Oh, can you? How cool is that? Okay, thank you, Anthony, for this little. I mean, is this what I ordered? Oh, wait. This is not what I ordered. This is part of the packaging, okay? So, yeah, it's what I ordered is inside here. All right, good. Okay, let me grab I got a razor blade over here. Okay, razor blade. Here we go, the unveiling. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Let me get this piece off. Yeah, would you just look at it? It's got a signature down here, Anthony Christopher. And I think it's a pretty cool piece. I don't know if I'm gonna, and it's, oh, this is a signed and numbered edition, so there's only 8 of 20. So I'm pretty happy to know that I'm one of only 20 that's going to have this wonderful piece. And when Anthony Christopher, of course, like most artists, he might not get famous until he dies. And by that time, of course, I'd be gone. But then it goes to my heirs, and they take it on the Antiques Roadshow and make $1 million. No, all kidding aside, I do like it. Check it out, and I'll put a link below to his website, and because he's got oodles and scoodles of illustrations. Many of them are sold out, the originals and the signed numbered copies, but excuse me. But he continues to do art, and so anyway, that's it. Thank you, Anthony. You can be proud of this work, and as I'm sure you are. and I wish you all success. That's it for now.